Yep. Argo keeps us safe. He really is the brains of this outfit, as I keep saying. So, good morning. Good morning from Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. Today is Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024. And it is just trying to rain. I mean, just kind of trying. Sorry, I was putting my glove away. And Argo did his thing, which we have been striking out. God, it's been kind of crazy how bad we've been striking out. But he found us a ship. So, and I think, I'm not going to tell him this was like a gimme, because, you know, we know he has skills. But I think he might be able to hear her. So. Whoop. I got to get used to doing this with gloves on again here. Let's zoom in here. And here we have the Frontenac in the Pollock. You can see we have some breeze here this morning. I don't know if you can hear it, but you can see it. So I did see the Frontenac a couple days ago, but they were leaving the Pollock actually. I don't know if you hear that sound, that means the Pollock is opening. Here, I'll pan over there really quick. See the flashing lights? Means the gate's opening. And if you can see, the control arm is down. We see that what almost looks like a rail going across the lock. That is the control arm. It's down. And so I think the only ship, though, is the Hiawatha. I don't know if we can see them or if they're still haven't come around the point from making their crew run. Here, will they raise it now, or are they going to wait? Nope, they're raising it. We've actually not really seen this happen much. They weren't using the control arms for most of the season. Oh, helps if I look where I'm pointing instead of gawking. There it goes. So I'm curious though. As far as I know, the only vessel that would be downbound is the Hiawatha. Yeah, you can see him there. So that's really quite funny, because the Frontenac is in the Maclock, and the Hiawatha will be in the big Pollock by themselves. So that's kind of funny. Speaking of the Frontenac, let's get back over here on them. We'll see they have shrank a bit in the lock. Just a touch. So, there we go, kind of a quick one. We're gonna go continue this walk. Super safe because of Argo's little light. So, hopefully I'll have some luck here soon and have some more stuff to record for you guys. So, I'm always looking. It seems like I'm not really succeeding very often. It's like hunting, right? If it was called, if you were successful every time, it'd just be called shopping. Yeah, I feel like I'm hunting these days. Anyway, have a great day, and Argo and I'll be back.